Now the next topic is transformer. Transformer, everyone must have seen that in any, we can say in any village, any town, everywhere at the corner of the road there is big transformer. Everyone knows the transformer. What does the transformer do? Transformer is a device which converts high voltage at low current to low voltage at हाई करंट और वाइस वर्सा. मतलब ये वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज डिक्रीज हम कर सकते हैं अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंगली. बट वन थिंग इज देयर, इफ वोल्टेज विल बी इंक्रीज देन करंट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड, एंड इफ वोल्टेज विल बी डिक्रीज करंट विल बी इंक्रीज. So depending upon our requirement, transformers are of two types. One is step up transformer and another is step down transformer. This up and down are for voltage only. Step up means which will increase the voltage and reduce the current. Step down means which will reduce the voltage and increase the current. Why does it happen that current is increased, or one thing is increased and another thing is decreased? This will come to know later on. So transformers are of two types, step up and step down. अब ये जो बड़े बड़े ट्रांसफार्मर्स होते हैं हर गली के एंड पे, वो ट्रांसफार्मर्स क्या करते हैं, द पावर जनरेटर्स जहाँ पे बिजली बनती है, पावर हाउस, देयर वोल्टेज इज वेरी हाई. When it is supplied to homes, in homes we know that 220 volt we require at our homes. So these transformers convert the high voltage into low voltage, and then that supply is transferred to the homes. Now principle of transformer, if we talk about, principle of transformer is mutual induction. म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन में क्या होता है कि व्हेन एनी कॉइल कम्स अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द अनदर कॉइल, अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ वेरिंग मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स ऑफ द अनदर कॉइल, देन ईएमएफ इज इंड्यूस्ड इन दैट कॉइल. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन. same principle is used for transformer. If we talk about the construction, in construction what is there? Simply a laminated soft iron core is there. This is laminated soft iron core. And one side of this core, one coil is wound, and on the other hand, other side, another coil. One coil is known as the primary coil, and other is secondary coil. From primary coil we provide the input, and from secondary coil we get the output. Fine. That means from here we will supply the we can say we will supply the current, we will supply the power, or we will supply the current which we have to step up or step down voltage. Fine. Now depending upon whether we have to make the step up or step down transformer, these number of turns in the primary and secondary coil will decide whether the transformer is step up or step down. If the number of turns in secondary coil is greater than number of turns in primary coil, as we can see in this figure, the number of turns in secondary coils are more then number of turns in primary coil. then this type of transformer is step up transformer. And if we say number of turns in secondary coil are lesser than number of turns in primary coil, then that transformer will be step down transformer. Fine. So two types of transformers are there, step up and step down. These number of turns will decide that whether the transformer is step up or step down. Now if we talk about this laminated soft iron core, why this core is laminated? Question is this कि ये core जो है laminated क्यों है? This we know very well. When we will supply AC from this side, then magnetic flux of this coil will be there. Magnetic field lines will be there. These magnetic field lines will pass through this secondary coil. When varying magnetic flux will pass through this secondary coil, EMF will be induced across these ends. Fine, and we will get the output supply. Now, as we are saying that varying magnetic flux is there, then this varying magnetic flux is also passing through this iron core, soft iron core. Definitely it will be passing through this core also. And we have already studied that if any metallic sheet, we are saying iron core, iron is a good conductor of electricity, and if any metallic sheet is placed in between the varying magnetic flux, then eddy currents are produced in that coil or that metallic sheet. And nature of those eddy currents are again according to the Lenz rule, that it will always try to oppose the cause due to which it has been arised. So to reduce the effects of those eddy currents, what we do? We laminate this core. And if we laminate this core, then eddy currents will be produced in very lesser amount, and energy losses will be very less. Eddy currents produced in this metallic sheet is a kind of loss only for us. So to reduce the effects of eddy currents, to reduce the energy loss, we laminate the soft iron core. क्योंकि इसमें जो eddy currents produce होंगे उसका हमारे पास कोई यूज नहीं. We need that maximum induction should be there between these two coils. Fine. So further, if we talk about the mathematics, we know that flux through any coil is directly proportional to the number of turns of that coil. That means we can say that flux passing through secondary coil will be directly proportional to the number of turns in secondary coil, and flux passing through primary coil will be proportional to the number of turns through primary coil. If we divide these two terms, then flux passing through secondary coil by flux passing through primary coil will be equal to number of turns through secondary coil by number of turns through primary coil. Same kind of constant will be there, that will get cancelled out. Or we can say flux passing through secondary coil is equal to Ns by Np into 5. Fine. If we differentiate this, both the sides, this expression, if we differentiate both the sides, then d phi s by dt is equal to, these are the constant, number of turns into d phi p by dt. And as we know that EMF is equal to minus of rate of change of flux is there. This we know. That means this we can write minus of EMF induced in secondary coil is equal to Ns by Np into minus of EMF induced in primary coil. Minus minus will get cancelled out. We are left with EMF induced in secondary coil is equal to Ns by Np into E. This is the relation. Here this ratio Ns by Np, this ratio is known as transformer ratio. Fine, is represented by K. So if we say if K is greater than 1, that means Ns by Np is greater than 1, or we can say number of turns in secondary coil are greater than number of turns in primary coil. Means we are saying if this factor is greater than 1, then value of ES will be more, EP will be lesser, and transformer will be step up transformer. Fine. That means if Ns is greater than Np, then Es will be greater than EP, and that type of transformer will be step up transformer. Same way we can say if K is lesser than 1, then it will be step down transformer. Fine. Now if we assume that no energy loss is there, otherwise practically it is not possible that no energy loss is there, many losses are there, but if we are assuming only no energy loss, no energy loss means input power will be equal to output power. मतलब जितनी हम पावर देंगे उतनी पावर हम रिसीव करें. That means power means voltage into current. That means output power will be equal to ES, IS should be equal to EP, I. Fine. S stands for secondary, P stands for primary. So we can say ES by EP will be equal to IP by IS. Fine. So if you put the values there, this was the expression for ES by EP is equal to NS by NP. If we put the value there, what will happen? In place of ES by EP, we can write IP by IS will be equal to NS by NP. Fine. From here we can conclude that current is inversely proportional to the number of turns. So this is the answer for that question, that why if voltage we are increasing, current is reducing. So if we are saying EMF is directly proportional to number of turns, then current is inversely proportional to number of turns. That means if voltage is increased, then current will be reduced. If voltage is reduced, then current will be increased. That's why we say that transformer is a device which converts low voltage at high current to high voltage at low current, and vice versa.